lot of you have been asking, what do they sound like? I'm going to blow on it, and then I'm also going to turn a little fan so you can hear what it sounds like, and hopefully the camera picks up the sound, okay? Ready? All right, that was just me blowing gently. And now I'm going to use a little fan. Now here is another one, and I am filming these in very low light. So this should give you an idea of their reflectivity. They have a little bit of a sheen to them, so they will bring a lot of light to a dark space, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm going to blow on this one. And then let's try the fan. So the first two that I showed you were 1/2-inch discs in our Fibonacci pattern, and this one is the 1-inch discs in our radial pattern, and this is me blowing on it. And the little fan. And we did have a question about whether or not these would have the effect of water in a feng shui design, and I think they do. They have a really nice quality of like water flowing or raindrops or just a delicate chime like seashells or something like that. They're soothing and great to meditate to. I hope that helps.